Beyond Photography Show, my name is Andrew Boey. You know, modern digital cameras now are truly impressive because the brands are throwing in tons of features. But that can really get intimidating and confusing, especially in the area of autofocusing. I mean, you have autofocus areas, autofocus modes, autofocus zone, focus tracking, focus acceleration, focus points. What do all these do? What do they mean? How do you use them? Good news for you. For this episode and a few more to come, we will teach you exactly what they are and how to use them.
Action!
And to model for our episode, the lovely Lindsay. We're going to be learning autofocus single in today's episode. Autofocus single is best used when you're shooting subject that doesn't move or pose like Lindsay here. Go to your camera. Switch the focusing mode to AFS, which stands for autofocus single. After you have done so, you need to go to your camera and switch the focusing area to single point. This is your focusing point. It's called a focus point because you can move your focus point to wherever you want to be focused. Let's get into composition first with Lindsay sitting there. This is a rule of third shoot with Lindsay on the right hand side of the frame. Now, as you can see, the focus point is not superimposed at her eyes. I will need to move this. And by moving to her eyes, press down the shutter release button, and you can see that the camera achieves focus. Take that shot. That's the first way. But many photographers find that troublesome because moving the focus point from one end of the screen to another end of the screen can be very slow. Example, we may recompose this way, and you notice that you need to move the focus point again, and it's really slow to do this. Let's learn a better method with autofocus single and single point, which we call focus, lock, and recompose. In focus, lock, and recompose, put your subject in the center like this. And make sure that the focusing point is in the middle. But as you can see, the focusing point is not pointing to Lindsay's eyes. What you need to do is to move your camera so that the focus point goes to Lindsay's eye, the eye that is nearest to the camera. This one. Hold it down, camera achieves focus, and make sure that you do not lift your index finger that's holding down the shutter release button. And now you can pan left, pan right, tilt up or down until the composition that you like. But be warned, do not move forward or backward, otherwise your model will be blurred. And once you get the composition that you like, fully press down the shutter release button, and that would be the fastest way to shoot. That is called AFS single method with the focus, lock, and recompose method. Let's do that again. Ensure that the focus point is in the center. Bring this focus point to one of your subject's eyes. Press down the shutter release button, and the camera will attain focus. Now, without moving backward or forward, you can now recompose your camera to the angle that you like. And once you get the composition that you desire, completely click down on the shutter release button, and you get your shot. Well, despite the fact that focus, lock, recompose is the fastest way to shoot, but occasionally your camera would be on a tripod. That will not allow you to recompose after focus. Hence why you will still need to learn how to move your focus point to your subject's eyes focus, lock, and take that shot. So this method is useful when your camera is on a tripod or when you're shooting at very low depth of field or shooting macro. When you're shooting with very low depth of field, you do not want to recompose too much. Your subject may end up looking blurry. Thank you for tuning in. If you like our tutorials on YouTube, we only have 3 things to ask from you. Number 1, hit the subscribe button. Be our valued YouTube subscriber. Number 2, head on to our website, that's www.beyondphotography.com.my, and check out our e-learning courses there and also our real-life classes. And number 3, before we go, write to us, tell us exactly what you want to learn, and we want to do more tutorials like this on YouTube. See ya. Oh hey, check out the coming episodes where we continue more on focusing modes, focusing areas, autofocus features in your modern cameras. Now, turn your camera's focusing mode to autofocus single. This is not happening. This is not happening. There are 2 ways you can do this. The first way is called focusing point not in the center. Shit. Okay, redo. It wasn't in the center.
It wasn't in the center. This is not rolling one.
No, you're rolling here what?
Yeah, I know. It's pure video.
Oh, okay. No, I cannot do also later. I have to focus on ma.
Oh.
Okay, never mind. Okay. Redo And to model for us in this episode is the lovely Lindsay.